head again. You had your heart set on me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my quick go-to glam that I do for really any event, like baby showers like I went to today, quick dinners, anything like that, holidays. You get the point. I start rambling or anything, let's just go ahead and get right on into the video. As always, we're starting with a moisturizer. Gotta moisturize that face. I'm using Neutrogena? No girl, Neutrogena Hydro Boost. It is too early in this tutorial to be making mistakes. What am I doing with my life? Anyways, so I'm just moisturizing my face, rubbing it all in, and I always wait a second for it to dry down and just soak into my skin before doing primer. But I'm using Becca First Light Priming Filter. It's purple, smells like bubblegum, and before I put anything on top of it, just like with the moisturizer, I wait a minute to let it soak into my skin so I'm not just slipping and sliding all around. And so while that soaks in, I'm doing my brows, NYX Micro Brow in Ash Brown. I stopped using the shade Chocolate because y'all told me that it was too red and I didn't believe you, and then I realized it was too red. So I'm using Ash Brown, have been for a while, and whenever I do a look like this, I try not to go crazy with my brows. I just do something a little bit more natural looking, but I still cover them out with NYX HD Studio Concealer. And this has been my favorite concealer for probably the past 2 months. I keep it in my purse. That's how you know I love it. And with a damp beauty blender, I'm just going to blend that out onto my lids as well. And I haven't actually used a real beauty blender in so long. It's so weird. And that same NYX concealer I'm putting underneath my eyes. And with this look, I'm basically just skipping foundation. So I'm doing a light contour, but just skipping foundation because it's Florida, y'all. It's hot. I'm not trying to sweat. And this is just, you know, unclockable and just better, I think. And with the Revlon, I think it's called like makeup stick Instafix thing. Anything's linked down below. Anything and everything you need is linked down below. And so basically I'm just doing my contour as usual. Y'all know I like to do curlicues on my forehead and blending it all out with a damp beauty blender. I hadn't reached for my a beauty blender in general for so long. I'd been using the Real Technique sponges. I have like 7 of them. I'm not really sure why I grabbed this today. I just did. I think it's because I wanted to do a close-up of it and all my other ones were like a little stained, and this is the cleanest one. Blendy, blendy, blend. And now I'm putting bronzer all over my face. Basically just all over my face. Usually I just do the perimeter, but for this I kind of just went all over, and my chest and my neck as well. And I'm using a fat Morphe brush. I believe it's the E8, E9, something like that. It'll be linked below. And then with just a fluffy brush, I'm going all over my lid and in my crease as well with that same bronzer, just to add some depth to my lids and just like some color to them because mine are kind of discolored. And I'm using the Allure Luxe Silk whatever lashes, and they were a little wonky, so I actually tore them off and put on the Flutter Intoxicating lashes instead. You can tell right now that I have different ones on. And then I'm going in with mascara. Y'all know how to do that. And then putting eyeliner on my top and bottom waterline. And then Anastasia Clear Brow Gel just to make sure that my brows aren't being crazy. Sometimes they move. I don't like that. And now for the best highlight in the world, the Amrezy ABH highlight. So goldy, so beautiful. And then just patting it in with my beauty blender. And next we have ColourPop X I Love Sarai collab lipstick and liner, the shade 951, I believe. I haven't used the lip liner in forever, but I'm just going on the outsides of my lips and just kind of shading it in a little bit. I don't do my entire lip though. And then I'm going to go in with the liquid lipstick. And since my hair was looking a little crusty on the ends, I'm taking Fanola Restructuring Fluid Crystals. It's just a fancy way to say serum. And I'm going to brush that through my slightly damp hair on the ends, literally from like my earlobes down. And then I kind of just finger it through the rest of my hair too. It just makes my hair look fabulous. And if you want to use code Chelsea Suarez at checkout with any Fanola products, you can get 10% off. And like, it helps your girl too, because I make a little bit of monies. Anyways, just brushing out my hair. And still brushing. All right, and now we're using the Flower Beauty setting spray. I forgot what it's called, but it'll be linked below, and just putting that all over the face just to be a little bit more hydrated. And oh my god, look how pretty I am. All right, guys, that concludes today's video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one.